In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause Outbrain campaign. If you need to stop spend quickly, maybe a promotion wrapped up, or your troubleshooting performance, the fastest, cleanest way in Outbrain's DSP is to pause at the ad group level inside your campaign. Outbrain treats pausing all ad groups as effectively pausing the entire campaign, and your ads will stop serving right away while your data remains intact. Start by logging into your Outbrain DSP dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct account and workspace so you don't accidentally change the wrong campaign. Once you're in, you'll be working entirely within the interface. No exports or complex edits needed. Head to the Campaigns tab or Campaign list. This is where you can see everything you're running at a glance. If you have a long list, use any available filters or search tools to find the exact campaign you want to pause. It's worth taking a moment to confirm the campaign name and status before you open it, especially if you manage multiple versions or tests. Click into the campaign you want to pause. Opening the campaign brings you to its internal structure, where you'll find all the ad groups that drive delivery. Think of ad groups as the engine underneath the campaign. Pausing them stops the engine without deleting anything. Select all the ad groups inside that campaign. Most accounts will have a Select All checkbox at the top of the ad group list, which is a handy way to make sure nothing is missed. If you prefer, you can individually check each ad group, but selecting them all at once is faster and reduces the chance of leaving one active by mistake. With all ad groups selected, click the Actions button and choose the option to pause, or simply toggle them off if you see an on-off switch. Both methods accomplish the same thing. Outbrain will immediately register those ad groups as paused. You should see their status reflect the change, indicating they're no longer delivering impressions. That's it. By pausing every ad group within the campaign, you've effectively paused the campaign itself. Your ads stop serving, spend halts, and your performance history stays available for reporting or future optimization. This approach is reversible, safe, and quick, which is why it's the recommended way to pause a campaign in Outbrain. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need to hit pause with confidence and keep your account organized and under control.